One of the next workshops I'll be running will be teaching you how to make this versatile backpack. This one I've made in a children's fabrics. However, you don't have to just make it in children's fabric. You can use it in any kind of tweeds or wools, leatherettes, or even denim. On this particular one, I've made a pocket at the front, just to make it easy access for the child really. And then on top is this full zip, allowing you access, which is nice and wide, to the inside of the bag. I've kept the inside of this bag quite plain. However, you can customize this completely with inside zip pockets, slip pockets, a whole range. Some of the videos I've already got on YouTube will actually show you how to insert any slip pocket or any zip pocket into a bag, and you can use that for this one should you wish. So on the workshop itself, I'll be taking through the basics. I'll be teaching you how to sew in a zip that will also be double-ended, how to attach straps and using these adjustable straps, as well as kind of showing you on camera how to attach a popper. If you don't have a device to do that, then if you live local, you're more than welcome to pop into the shop and attach it. Or alternatively, you could use a button or even a magnet in place. So that's one of our next workshops. Hope you'll join us. If you do, book on early, because again, we are limiting the places to 12 participants.